Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Finally, my Lookfantastic December beauty box arrived. This time the delivery took a long time. But we are not talking about the delivery. Today we will open the box to see what we have inside. And inside, the Lookfantastic promised 3 full-size products. This month, the box has a beautiful festive look, very nice. Let's open it. Here we have a booklet with the information about the products that we have inside, and on the last page we have like a spoiler product from the next month beauty box. Okay, let's dive in. First product is from Percy & Reed, Session Hold Hairspray, and here we have 50 ml of a product. I guess it's a travel size. Here is a full-size product. It's from Avant. Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. Is an eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and eye bags. This sounds great. Okay, third product is another full-size product. It's from Jeka Black. Glow Drops. It is a beautiful highlighting primer for face in the shade Champagne. I like this type of primer, but I'm not sure if this one will work for me. It is a bit too golden for my taste. Maybe on top of a foundation as a highlighter will work better for me. Fourth product is from Rem, Atlantic Kelp Body Lotion, and here we have 50 ml of a product. To be honest, I love body cream, body lotion, so this product is welcomed. Fifth product is from the Balm, Petal to the Metal Mono Eyeshadow. Vroom! Let's see the shade. Ooh! It's a gorgeous copper shade. Very beautiful color, I like it a lot. And the last product is a double-ended brush from Brushworks. Here we have a shader brush and an eyeliner brush. I don't like double-ended brushes. I find them hard to store. This month beauty box is pretty nice. I like it a lot. I like the selection of a product too. And this was today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye!